If you guys can't see the boats behind me, I got the perfect boat fragrance. And that one is gonna be this one right here. Just John Varvatos Artisan Pure, baby. Oh, this stuff smells so good. This is citrus with a bite. And what I mean by bite is it's sharp, it's fresh, it's vibrant. It's got a bit of a tang to it. It's a really nice fragrance. It's also a pretty good performer. This one lasts a while on the skin and it smells great. In my opinion, this is one of the best John Varvatos summer fragrances in the line. Also, Jeremy Fragrance used to hype the hell out of this fragrance, so you're gonna definitely wanna check this out, especially if you're going on a boat this summer, baby. Cause yo, it's pretty dope out there, man. I haven't gotten out on the lake yet this summer, but I'm gonna definitely do it, and this is the one I'm gonna wear. Now for my number 5 fragrance,